In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Monday.com sales pipeline. To begin, open your Monday.com homepage and make sure you're inside the correct account and workspace where you want to manage your sales process. This is where all of your boards, workflows, and team collaboration tools will live, so starting in the right place helps keep everything organized from the beginning. Next, go to your workspace and choose the option to add a board. In Monday.com, a board is the main place where you track information. Think of it as a smart workspace table where you can organize deals, contacts, progress, and team responsibilities all in one view. For a sales team, a board becomes the foundation of your pipeline. Once you click New Board, a prompt box will appear. In that prompt, type Sales Pipeline. Monday.com. AI will generate a ready-made pipeline with default stages designed specifically for sales. These stages usually include lead, qualified, proposal sent, negotiation, won, and lost. Lead is where new opportunities first enter your pipeline. Qualified means the prospect has been reviewed and is a good fit. Proposal sent shows that you've already shared pricing or a formal offer. Negotiation is the stage where terms, pricing, or details are being discussed. Won means the deal has been successfully closed, while lost helps you track opportunities that didn't move forward. These stages are important because they give your sales process structure and make it easier to monitor deal movement. After that, review the columns your sales pipeline should have. A strong pipeline should include deal name, company, contact person, email, phone number, deal value, expected close date, sales representative, status, and notes. These columns help you capture the key information needed to track each opportunity clearly and consistently. If you notice that the status column is missing, click the plus icon and choose status. This column is useful because it gives you a quick visual way to track progress and categorize each deal without opening every record individually. Then add another column and create the sales representative field. This feature lets you assign ownership of each deal to a specific team member, which is important for accountability and follow-up. Next, add the last missing column, which is Notes. The Notes column is helpful for storing important updates such as call summaries, objections, next steps, or reminders. Keeping notes directly inside the pipeline makes it easier for everyone to stay aligned. As you make these updates, everything will be automatically saved, so you don't need to worry about losing your work. Once your board is ready, you can start adding deals to your sales pipeline and begin tracking your opportunities more efficiently. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.